Hello, I'm Enzo. BKK Cyber Sex Cup is an evolutionary smart sex toy which combines virtual reality and motion sensing technology to perform the best ever sex toys experience. A full set of BKK Cup include a motion sensing masturbation cup, a VR helmet, and a mobile application which support the hardware. Once you activate those devices, you will be jumped into an awesome cyber sex experience. Our cup have a built-in motion sensor. When you're playing, your movement will simulate and convey into the application. The cup also supports virtual reality. Simply switch the app to VR mode, put your phone into the VR helmet, put it on, and dive into the world of virtual reality sex. BKK Cup is designed to fit different motion sensing applications. By now, you can interact with your 3D girlfriend, and you can also enjoy watching your favorite video in 3D mode. With your support, there will be more and more applications in different styles. So this is our product, BKK Cyber Sex Cup. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.